The tortoise and the hare, speedy rabbit loved to brag about how fast he could run one day. He laughed at a slow tortoise. "You're so slow, I could beat you in any race." The tortoise replied calmly, "Would you like to race and find out?" The race began.